Yeah, Texas was pretty cold today too.
Well, you guys got free in Florida. That's crazy.
Pretty cold, bro. It's freezing.
Yeah, bro. I saw white on the grass this morning. I was like, yeah, it's not
I
messing
think
with
it's like
that.
8 degrees over here, so you're all chilling, bro.
My truck was frozen on the windows, dude. Like I had ice.
Really?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
64 in Dallas. That's actually pretty chill.
Guys, so individual stocks I'm watching today. XYZ being one, it's still cooling up for a move to either the upside or downside. I have a call wall in place that I'll be watching on XYZ. Nike is up a good bit today.
Yeah, I think we were playing yesterday. That's exactly what I'm thinking. JC Schwab. That's exactly what I'm thinking, bro. No, we broke the range from the past few days. We're not really in the range anymore. Kind of like trading below it is what I'm
Yeah,
seeing.
larger time frames are actually bearish.
Yeah. But still, like we're not really like below it like that. We're just. It kind of looks like we're sweeping it at this point.
We really need call flow to pick up for one of the long guys. We need call flow to get to at least 500 million, if not higher.
At Brett, come on, dedicate some like 7 million or something, bro. I cover the rest.
I agree.
This is how the chart looks like, by the way, on the 15 minute for spot. Kind of nasty. The range, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I just see like some sort of rally out of nowhere. Honestly, guys.
Yeah, Laddie and Danny. Yeah, I saw the Nike CEO and Tim Cook bought shares of Nike.
Call flow starting to head back up here. Would love to see a nice push in call flow for me to look for a position.
No, I think Nike's
Nah,
fine.
J Schwab, they'll make a comeback. There's been,
Yeah.
I think there's been plenty, random sport companies come up. They have their prime and they don't last as long. It's about survival. They'll Nike will survive and keep pushing new shit. It's got a new CEO though. Yeah, Flotopia's fixed. Yeah, so weird flow this morning. Both call flow and put flow below zero. We have a 684 negative gex level, which is our highest negative gex level, which is to the downside. Really want to see wave, separate a little bit more today, and not be a $2 million difference.
Flow is sitting here negative 3 million calls, negative 5 million in puts. So they're both still below zero at the moment, guys. How do you manage copy trading 20 accounts? So you can use Trade Syncer. I'm making a YouTube video over it this week for you guys to go check out.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind inverse orb too, J Schwab.
How's Apex
Yeah, if you just traded the strategy or your strategy, whatever it might be, anyone's strategy, and just took that like one trade a day and didn't oversize 1 to 2 trades a day, you'll probably be all right over time. Oh, we had another Gex just grow right there, 685.
Top set does not have trailing drawdown. Once you get to your buffer, you're good.
Hey TikTok, do y'all mind going to my YouTube and see if it looks good? Y'all, Byron, I know you like to chat a lot, or anyone, some of the OGs in here. Do y'all mind going to my YouTube real quick and seeing if it sounds good and looks good? I'm on live on YouTube too. That's the reason. It's my first time going live on YouTube. Calls just crossed to the downside right there, and we still have these negative Gex levels to the downside.
Yeah, this is not bullish yet, guys. This is not anything we like. I mean, you could look for a if you wanted to take a W orb right now and go short into like the low of the day, you could try that. It's not the best entry because we're not at the control point, but on NQ, but we did close below on the 15-minute time frame on NQ. So if you want to try like just like a small short, you could. This is the area to do it. I'm just waiting for a control point retest before doing so. I think control point retest would be more A plus.
I'm
You
waiting.
guys can do what you want, of course.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a 15-minute candle close below. I would love to take it right now, but I want to see what this 15-minute does. Still got 8 minutes, unfortunately, but I'd rather wait than force an entry. But yeah, I like downside. Calls are dropping, puts are beating it, and we have downside Gex levels that are the largest this morning. Oh, big separation right there on calls and puts.
Yeah, like huge separation, put starting to head higher. Yeah, Tradeovate. I kind of like Tradeovate, J Schwab. I just link Tradeovate to TradingView and it's easy. That's where I've seen the most success.
Thanks, Byron, for letting me know. It's great. Appreciate it.
Put flow is still starting to. Put flow is trying to stay a little like not going straight up right now, but it's trying to kind of curl up. Call flow is still heading down though. Call flow is not bullish right now.
Where is negative 6? Oh, negative 610. Let's go look. I want to see that on chart. On Q, that's a $7 move to the down. Oh my, calls just dropped, guys. I'm actually gonna go ahead and probably try a short position. Let's see what this 5-minute does. We got 1 minute to the 5-minute.
Yeah, I like NQ shorts. I mean, NQ closed below the opening range, went back into the range, and now it's rejecting. So W orb could definitely work here on NQ.
Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and start looking at some SPY options. For the end of the week. So puts. We can target 684 and 685. 685 is 50 cents lower. 684 is about $1.50. This 15 minute has 5 minutes to close to, which should tell us a lot about what's going to end up happening. What up, Byron? What up?
Hey, it does look bearish, but still don't trust it just yet.
Yeah.
Guys, what the hell? 680 just grew. So we have $5 lower on Gex, and then we have on QQQ $7 lower growing. Look at that 15 minute trying to still hold this opening range, waking up. We got 4 minutes on this 15.
You should have bought the data on TradingView. The CME data. I'm not in though. I like a short though. I mean, I think a short on NQ would be like good. Just one NQ with a tight stop. Yeah, depending on your broker, some of the top firms will come with it though. J Schwab, I think one doesn't, or Lucid maybe. I have it bought, so it doesn't really affect me. Fall flow is just dying off here.
Guys, I'm looking at the 684 puts for Friday. I'm about to go ahead and start entering them. I gotta type it out. 684. What's Friday? January 2nd. One point.
Perhaps one NQ. Well, no, not too late on. I was just about to say I might try one, but we're dumping now. It is what it is. We're just not really getting good data, dude. This data's been so shit this week. Timing wise.
I think price action is too close, not the data.
Nestar, I thought it wasn't. Yeah, it's a full day today. Nestar.
Today's a full day.
Why is going for a low low?
The 685 has been pulling all morning, or no, it's 684 pulling all morning, but 685 grew. Yeah, J Schwab is fine. Honestly, if I was playing the exact double orb strategy, I have to wait for a 15-minute candle close anyways, which we might still have a retest. We have 2 minutes on this 15-minute candle close. Like if this comes up on the next like 2 minutes or so, I'll take it. I will test the waters. I would like to see an entry, between 685.60 to around 685.80, which is at the bottom of the orb. I haven't took the SPY contracts yet. See what they're at. They're at 1.24. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and enter right here. Go ahead and enter SPY January 2nd, 684 puts at 1.24. It's retesting that opening range. It's exactly where I wanted to enter at in the first place. Stop loss can be back a close back inside the range. So, like, if you're doing futures, it'd probably be like, depending on how much you take, like $100 to $200 loss. We have a lot of negative gex levels growing right now. Puts are still winning, but call flow just did see a little curl right there. Not too worried about it unless calls just start coming up super aggressive. I really just like this risk to reward ratio. You know, we're entering up here off this retest. If it goes back in, I'm just getting out for a small stop loss and I'll look for another trade. Tesla options start for bearish this morning. What's Tesla doing this morning? There we go. That's a good little move right there. Hopefully we can continue and go make a lower low. These option contracts are barely moving again. They're up 6% right now. We did get a 15-minute candle close underneath. So what I'm going to plan for, so if we do get a retest off the, if we do get a retest off the 15-minute, I'll get out for a small stop loss and try to get entry at the control point. That would be my second entry. But for now, I mean, we are green right now.
Yeah, put flow is dying off here. I might take a small short position, just a 1 in Q short position. Stop loss above this candle high back into the range, so we are risking a chance to lose, but I am going to take one here since we have rejected off of the opening range after a 15-minute close below. Typically, I like to wait for a retest of that opening range, guys, like into the control point, but I'm being a little risky here going light size, only 1 mini here. Typically, we're buying 2 of our 20 micros, but yeah, I'm going to light size this short entry on NQ. I don't love it. Really just giving myself an opportunity here. This is not as an A-plus setup as we are used to. So if we get back above this high here, I will get out for a small loss. I think it'll be a... No, it's not going to be that small. It'll be like $430 loss. So, but still, I mean, the gains are pretty nice. I'm targeting that pre-market low, which is this level on NQ at 25,552. We had a 15-minute opening range breakout at the downside with a retest, and call flow is just dying off more and more, so I am going to give this a shot here.
Yeah, guys, I'm up 10% on these options right now. Yeah, hold on one second. I got to type that. There we go. We're up. I'm up $100 on my futures. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna put a trailing stop loss a little bit lower on my futures. We still have those GEX levels growing to the downside. A lot of GEX levels to the downside. That is, we're about 20 cents away from 685, which is the pre-market low, which was the highest negative GEX level. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start taking off some right here. Taking off some right here.
Yeah, my stop loss will get moved to break even.
Yeah, break even stops. Yep. What a move. Let's go, baby. There's that 685 level GEX on the money. We're up 20% on SPY options as well. I'm going to go ahead and start taking some here.
Bro, I'm just going to take my profits here at 400. That's 1 in Q. I'm taking that. I'm getting all out there, guys. I'm not going to hold that. I already didn't like the entry, but that was easy in and out. $400 per account across 4 accounts. So that's a $2,000 total there. I really like that. If we can get a push back up, I might even take it again. That was a beautiful scalp if anybody took that with us.
Yeah. Oh, wait, shit. I sold some off and accidentally bought back more right there. I meant to.
Definitely short. We've been talking about shorts this entire time, guys. No one's mentioning anything about longs. We also have call flow, dying, put flow above. And we also need to activate your alerts, bro. We don't have any alerts activated. No alerts are activated for you.
Yeah, guys, now I'm going to target 684. If we do get, I have runners left on my options. I have some left on my futures. But now I'm targeting 684. I don't know when that will happen, but that is the next highest Gex level, or highest negative Gex level. I have stops at break even on the rest. Took some profits. There you go, J Swab.
At my channel, but hopefully you guys still make some money there. Beautiful trade.
Yeah, I still like shorts. Yes.
Yeah, I still like shorts too, guys.
All right, it just stopped me out on my rest of my futures right there, but I am not done with this short. If it goes back and retests that orb or even this EMA cloud, I will probably enter again. I still have my options though. I took most off, but I still have some, and I will add more if needed.
Yeah, I'm liking some spy puts too, guys. I'm gonna start looking at probably 686 puts. Most retest.
Hopefully, y'all were able to take that. ES. I'm looking at ES. I'm looking to enter again.
Guys, look at my screen, guys. Like, my screen is shared for y'all. We already said I was out. Already got in and out. There's the arrows there. We had the entry. Come on, guys.
Got in late, still made profit. There we go. There we go, J Schwab. There we go. Yeah, shorts still look good. I just don't want to force an entry right here. I would love to get like just a little bit higher. Call flow is dying down.
Buffalo's still going lower, guys. You could probably short it and be fine. That was the fastest NQ short I've taken in so long.
Quick 200. Thanks, Champ Britt. Yes, sir. Yeah, I still got options here. Just futures got tapped out with the trailing.
Yeah, I would like to see us go back into the opening range and then reject,
Yeah.
guys. That's what I'm looking for here.
Yes, sir. Dude, what if SPY is making a cup and handle right now in the 24-hour? Went and retested that high and is like kind of falling wedging down to this EMA cloud. Looks interesting. I wouldn't be surprised in this market if that was, a cup and handle to send us to 700 million. Let's see what Tesla is doing. I haven't checked Tesla today because it's just been chopping. Yeah, still in the range, middle of the range. Nothing going on. SPY options are still up 6% right here. I'm going to put the rest at break even. This might be a good entry again. That was a quick wick down, fellas. What a wick down.
Want to know what I'm doing, guys? I'm wanting higher, so I'd like to see a push into the opening range a little bit.
Who's able to catch that first dub with us? Is anybody able to catch that? I know a few of y'all did, but it was pretty quick. Y'all did? Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. All right, bet. All right, the goal now, guys, is don't lose those profits. Damn, put flow just, I mean, got sold off too right there. Still winning though. I still like downside. This looks like a bear flag up to the top of the, or near the top of the orb. Rising wedge to the EMA caught on the 1 minute. Retesting that previous support.
You can pass in 2 days, but you have to keep a 50% consistency if you're going to pass in 2 days. For example, if your profit target's $3,000, you can't make 2,000 a day and 1,000 tomorrow. You got to make 1,500 each day, or at least make about 50% over the period of time.
Alright, I'm gonna grab SPY 686 puts, guys, at 125.
Love it. I love it.
Just sitting at break even, so everybody's gonna have to get in. We're retesting the breakout of 685.60, so I'm actually looking for this retest to get rejected towards the lows of 684 from that. Some of you guys might be able to get a better feel of what's here.
I'm going to go ahead and try shorts again right here. We're pretty green on the day, but I'm going to go lighter in this position. I'm going to take 5 MES shorts. I took 10 the first time. Stop loss is at 60.90 or 60.90.32. 69.32, good God. And yeah, $100 stop loss. I'm targeting low of day. This is the bottom of the orb. This won't even make me red if it hits stop loss. Just want to try it again right here. Get a W orb action.
Good reject over here.
I'm not taking anything just yet, guys.
Don't need this 5-minute candle to actually work back down. If they can flip it from green to red, that'll be awesome.
A little pinpoint right there so far, guys. See what this candle does. Yep, on the 5 minute, we still got a minute and 50. I would love for this to wick down on this 5 minute. I mean, you can push a little bit higher than wick down.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yes, sir.
A good reject so far over here.
Yeah, y'all are green if y'all took those shorts.
I'm looking for this to close below 685 for the very first. That should get
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moving stop loss lower. I might even put stop loss above this like high right here, making the stop loss only $25 in the red now, since it was a pretty good entry. Just keep my risk reward tighter and tighter, since we're already green on the day. Now this basically says, hey, if we lose this trade, we're probably going to go a little bit higher, probably to that control point. So I love this entry. Where I got it at.
Please seconds for this to close. Not a fan of how this candle is trying to log.
TikTok. What do you mean biggest stop you've seen? Oh, you're talking about the original entry. I wasn't. That wasn't like actually the stop. I was playing like kind of moving it around still. But this is probably. I'm trying to just. We already hit a green trade. I know some of y'all guys are just joining in, but we already had a banger trade. We caught this drop right here, to like around these lows and got break even stop loss on the rest. But I'm trying to. There's that. It's gonna probably push higher than if we don't. If we get back above right here, I'll enter a short again. I'll enter a short again. That's annoying.
Nothing I'm liking just yet, guys. I'm still watching NQ and MES here. We just rejected off the NQ opening range again.
We could reject over here again, guys. If probably do buy back this candle from red to green, it's most likely going to give me the signal to not stay in this trade. But if we do reject as well, then this is good. Let's see. I need sellers to step in over here.
Yeah, this is looking good for shorts still. We just rejected the bottom of the range. QQQ's at the bottom of the range. This is typical W orb. We have GEX levels to the downside too. 684 is growing a lot. Still in these options.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one short here, guys, off of the top of that, the bottom of that opening range that we just got. So I'm trying one short here, one more short on NQ. Just rejected the opening range again. I would love to go target the low of the pre-market session, pre-market lows.
I could reject over here, guys. Some of you guys who had a better fill than me may be able to trim pretty soon, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, I mean, I told you on that on the options. They're doing pretty good. Still have my original entry too that have been green.
Once again, guys, those who had a lower fill than me, this could be a trend for you if I'm too greedy.
One more try on shorts. We already won the first short trade. This is our second. I'd love to see this continuation.
TikTok, I'm trying again. This is still the shot. I'm trying again. If it goes hits that high, I will still be green on the day, so it's okay. Also, my options. I'm still in these options, but I want to try a short right there because data is still saying calls are dropping, and then also we have these negative GEX levels to the downside. So it's about time we just kind of see the lower. We had a good rejection on that last 2 minute. The 5 minute is looking really interesting. The 5 minute kind of looks like it's trying to base out down here below the below. Look at this. Look at the 5 minute. That's iffy, but the 2 minute looks really good. You got this supplies, or you got this zone right here. So if it breaks above this zone, it's probably gonna flip bullish. I still like it, even if this loses, we're green still, but from the first trade. But I still like it, and honestly, I'll probably look for another short if it goes way higher. If it like breaks through that, I'll probably look for some type of other another short. But our puts are still running. Puts are still up a good bit. Yeah, I want to see that 684 level.
If we can go close, if we can go clear this low that we made over here on the left side that you guys see me targeting 25, 5, 8, 150, that's gonna be my break even level. If we hit that, we'll go break even.
There we go. That's a good push down right there, fellas.
Yeah, for sure it is. I think this is gonna go to that low, but
That's funny, Diego. IWM trying to gain some strength right here. It's pushing in the range. Qs and spies just sitting underneath this opening range. We've had a few candle closes under the opening range now. Qs looks really bearish. It might go take out that wick on the 15-minute. Q's 15-minute looks so good, actually. Champ, did you say you were in Q's?
Yeah, I'm in NQ short.
Yeah, that looks good. Tesla is still just chopping here.
Yeah, I'm not liking this price action.
Yeah.
Shit.
Neither am I.
$400 per calendar day, but this is just really bad price action. We're just chopping down here. There's no moves happening.
Yeah, guys, if this goes back in the range, I might just look for that control point entry, or honestly, I might just kind of take my my green and just stay away. But we'll see with this price action. Oh my, Microsoft's going down. Happy New Year. I'm out. There you go, man. Let's go. Have a good one, Mad Dog. Yeah, you're right, Danny. Good rejection there, fellas.
All right, it's a good move down so far.
Let's go. That's a great move. Guys, on SPY, I would really like to see 684, but we would have to break this 685 level. Right now, we're just kind of chopping right here.
Move your stops down pretty close to break even now.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do, too. There we go.
Let's see a flush right here. We need a flush right here.
All right, guys, I just tread my stop a little bit lower here. My puts are still running. Wouldn't say we're trading chop. It's actually been a downtrend if you kind of look at it. I mean, it is chopping right now, but it has been relatively a downtrend.
Yeah, I might call it here soon if we don't get a nice rejection off this level. Fingers on the trigger, guys. I'm watching this very closely here.
Yeah, guys, I'm actually going to move stop closer to break even. A lot closer. Honestly, I'll probably just put it at break even. If it goes back higher, I'll just call it. Just want this to continue to trend higher. Trend lower. Put flow just rose again. There we go.
Let's see if we can hold
John, what's up with the mic? Can you let me know real quick? My kid messed with my mic and I've tried to fix it this morning, but TikTok earlier said it's good. Guys, I'm going to take more of my options right here. They're up 20% again. I'm going to go ahead and start selling a couple more.
Guys, if y'all have multiple contracts, take half off.
Let's go, fellas. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Good stuff, guys. That's a really good reject right there, bro. Alright, man, Tony. Have a good day, buddy. Buddy.
All right, John, I appreciate that. I'm going to have to figure that out.
And those 686 puts sitting at 155, guys. It didn't really move much, which is kind of weird.
Yeah, these options aren't moving that well, to be honest. We are really green on them still. They're up around 20%. Happy New Year's, boys. I'm out. There you go, J Pat. Later, brother. Yeah, put a one in the chat if y'all are green this morning. Put a one in the chat if y'all are green. Everyone should be green in here, I'm pretty sure. Put a one in the chat if you're green. There we go. There we go. Yeah.
About to get out, guys. I don't like that we're not going lower here. We're still not reacting to that level very well. If we do not reject right here, this is our last chance to reject, and we'll get out for a pretty nice profit. But I'm trying to be very smart here and be patient. I'm seeing us reject off of that 25,587 and 25,585 pretty nice here. If we reclaim that, I'll get out. As of right now, I'm looking for lower still.
Up 900 on futures today, 150 on options. Let's go. Yeah, a lot of y'all are green. 740 day, $745 day. Let's go. Up 1,200. Hey guys, stops at break even. Fingers on the trigger to get out of this trade. Yeah, if y'all going to party with, for New Year's, go ahead and let the group know that the OTG was green today. Let them know. Made my first 500 on a Lucid Flex account. There you go.
We're at that 25,585 level. It's got to react here. Should reject if our short bias is still intact.
There you go, Bank. Congrats. Another withdrawal. Let's go, brother.
Yep, I called it, guys. I just got out there. Just hit my trailing stop. Still think we're going to go lower, but, it is what it is. This price action is, really bad. I mean, we should just probably go ahead and call it a day there.
Yeah.
Probably just call it a day there, guys. I mean, pretty green. I'm not upset about it. Not upset about it.
Got spot is still trending lower. I got my trailing stop loss still in place. Let's see what it does at this pre-market low. Here we go.
Yeah, now we're going down. That's unfortunate. Could probably try one more time if you really want, but I'm not doing it. I'm already 2 for 2 on the day. I'll call it there. Beautiful trades on the day.
RB Dom, make sure to go post some member profits, brother. Happy New Year.
Good day overall. Good day overall.
Yeah, I'm moving my trailing stop loss lower, making sure I lock in some. Just because, you know, we have been kind of chopping down at these levels. I mean, overall, it's a downtrend day. Gex has been telling us that all day, that there's magnets down below. I really wanted to see the 684 level, which is $1 lower. Well, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents now. But just going to keep my risk management today. I'm sure as we get closer to the end of the day, we will start seeing volume leave the market because of tomorrow's market's closed. So definitely want to probably just call it after this morning live. There you go, Jay Schwab. There, let's go, man. Congrats. Guys, if y'all are in the TikTok live, we are hosting a class next week. Byron, Dr. Dre, everybody in here that are watching that just watched me hit all these trades, right? We are hosting a class Wednesday. Hold on, we're doing a dub train. I got to be there.
Put a W in chat if you're green. These are not enough W's, guys. How are y'all not green today? What are you guys doing?
Nah, bro, they're sleeping. They're sleeping. What do y'all mean?
I'm not even recording that. Never mind, bro. That's weak. I'm not doing that. This is insane. Guys, where is everybody at?
Guys, should we try that one more time? Are y'all going to be here?
I don't know why no one's here in the live, dude. This is insane. Insanity. Let me see the W's in the chat if y'all make money. Y'all spam them W's. Let me see them. Who made money today? Put them W's in the chat.
There we go.
That's what we like to see.
Yes, sir.
Feasting. 2 beautiful short entries. All out here. Calling it a day. Let's go.
Let's go. We're actually about to hit my price target pretty soon, guys. Trailing stop loss is going lower.
ES is going down.
Yeah, bro. Oh, wait. Qs are going up?
Yeah. Or like not going up, but they're trying to go up like they're bouncing.
My TikTok spams some W's too. That's nice. That's always good. Hey, guys, TikTok. Look, if we just made you money, we are hosting a class January 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern. All you have to do is go to my bios, put your email and number. We're going to send you the class information. Also, when you do enter all this stuff, you're going to enter a giveaway. The giveaway is a PC giveaway. And so if you're there present in the class, we are giving away a full computer. It'll be live. It'll be in front of all these people. We'll show the proof. We'll make sure we ship it. We'll get whoever wins it, take a picture. Hey, I want it, and send us back. If y'all want to enter that, go to my bio and then go sign up for the class. It's completely free next Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, but Dub City today, we're going to be teaching this trading strategy in there. And yeah, let me know if y'all end up signing up so I can, so I know. So I'll be on the lookout. Let me know if y'all end up signing up. It's link in bio. It takes less than 2 minutes. You're entering a PC giveaway, but also you're going to get some great value out of this. Let me know if y'all end up signing up. Let's go. What a day.
Yeah, ES is still going down here. I'll go put y'all's profits, members' profits, guys, if y'all don't mind. I'd love to see it. Go spam them profits. We're trading on Friday? Yeah, I'm trading on Friday.
As we're about to hit my take profit right here. It's going towards that 684 level on SPY, sending ES much, much lower. Also, I think our options are got to be up a good bit. Yeah. So I'm up 30% on the options. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take all that off right now. I love that the dollar sign that I'm seeing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take that off. I'm fully out of options. Futures, I'm gonna go ahead and probably just call it there too. There we go. Got out right there. It's a good day, fellas. It's a good day. If you're on the YouTube live, I'm doing that funded account challenge right now. I'm closing this position right now. $300 day on the first day of my evaluation account on YouTube. Doing that futures challenge live in front of everybody. You can see where I took a short, and bought that short back. And it was all based off wave data and GEX data. This could definitely go a lot lower, but I'm not going to force anything. It's the day before New Year's. And I love this entry. This is the W orb trading strategy that we teach and preach every single day. We are also hosting a class at 8 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, January 7th. It's going to be free for everyone. If you're interested in that, link in bio. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up. You're also entering a PC giveaway. But yeah, what a day, family. I'm probably going to end up just calling it there. I have a lot of stuff to do today. We're actually having people over. But yeah, I hope everyone made some money. If you're in the live, make sure to follow. We're going to be live every single day here on TikTok. If you want to go get a prop firm or prop challenge account, Tradeify and Alpha Futures are the best. You can use code BRITT on either one of them. You'll get a massive discount. And you're also helping me out. So like when I win you guys some trades, I would love for some love back, on these accounts or prop firm accounts that I'm affiliated with. They're both reliable. They're both great. Alpha Futures, Tradeify, use code BRITT. For a very, very large discount. But yeah, TikTok, I'm going to go ahead and head out. Make sure to go to link in bio. Sign up for that class. It doesn't hurt anything. Even if you're not going to be there, you're going to be entered on that computer giveaway. So go sign up for that class. I'll see y'all Friday morning here. Follow, like, and I'll be posting some videos. Later, guys. YouTube looks good. Good sound quality. Let's go. All right, YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and head out. Very good day. You can see my short entries right here on the prop account challenge. You can see where I entered on my options as well. All that good stuff. What a day. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream right here. Make sure to tune in every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern every single morning. And I will see you guys later.